Now, stop wasting money on Facebook ads. We are doing these 3 things. 1, you see that blue boost button that you see on Instagram next to a post? Stop clicking it. It is not in your best interest. It is just there to guzzle your money. So you need to stop touching it. If you click on it, you have no control. You don't know what it's doing. And most times, it is not in your business's best interest on how it serves. So if you want to run your Instagram ads only, you need to go to the Facebook Ads Manager, where you'll be able to carefully select the campaign objective, the right targeting, and you'll be able to control every penny that you spend on your campaigns. 2, stop focusing on features, only focus on benefits. I can't stress this enough. A lot of businesses always focus on their features ahead of benefits. Marketing is not about your ego, it's about what you can do for the person that wants to buy from you. The reality is that the target audience don't care about you, they care more about themselves. You need to connect with them, their emotions. That's the only way you can get them to come to you. So stop focusing on your product features. And number 3, not knowing your ideal customer well. On Facebook ads, targeting is going to shit, and it is very important for you to be able to know these people. In the last 3 months, targeting has not been the best on the Facebook ads platform. So work your magic and know how they think, what they want, and know what really appeals to them visually for them to take the desired action that you want. So follow these 3 things, you'll definitely be on your way to making more money from your Facebook ads. So if you want to know more tricks and tips about Facebook ads, give me a follow. To the next one.